Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Sempra's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sempra, a leading North American energy infrastructure company, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings. There's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Sempra reported a total revenue of $3.151 billion for the third quarter. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.11, surpassing the forecast of 93 cents. John, what does this tell us about Sempra's performance?
It's a strong performance indeed. The adjusted EPS of $1.11 not only beats the forecast, but also shows a significant improvement from last year's 89 cents. This indicates effective cost management and operational efficiencies, despite a lower GAAP EPS of 12 due to certain one-time tax items.
And how does the net income of $77 million compare to last year?
It's a decrease from the $638 million reported in Q3 2024. However, this drop is primarily due to specific tax-related adjustments and not a reflection of the core business performance, which remains robust.
Strategic initiatives and investments. Sempra has been active on the strategic front as well. Can you elaborate on their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. Sempra announced a strategic transaction to sell a 45% equity interest in Sempra Infrastructure Partners to KKR. This move is part of their broader strategy to simplify their business model and fund capital projects efficiently. Additionally, Oncor's capital plan is set to increase by over 30%, which is a significant boost for their infrastructure development in Texas.
And what about their LNG projects?
Sempra Infrastructure has made a final investment decision on Port Arthur LNG Phase 2, which is a major step forward. This project is fully subscribed with long-term agreements, ensuring stable future revenue streams.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. Sempra has announced some cost-saving measures. What impact will these have?
Sempra is implementing several measures, including discontinuing select energy efficiency programs and transitioning to a digital-first service model. These actions are projected to save over $300 million between 2026 and 2031, enhancing affordability for customers.
And how does the future look for Sempra?
The company has updated its full-year 2025 adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $4.30 to $4.70, affirming strong growth prospects. They also project a long-term EPS growth rate of 7 to 9%, which is quite promising.